All right, so now remember, you don't have to watch these videos. You can look at your answer just if you want to and see how I did it. All right, so number 5. First, I'm going to convert everything into improper fractions. So let me give you the answer. I got 8 and 1/8. So I got 3 halves divided by 1/6. I guess I could do that, but I don't want to skip a step. Divided by 1/6 minus 7/8. Okay, division comes for subtraction. So 3 halves times 6/1 minus 7/8. And then cross cancel 1, 3. So it becomes 9, 1 minus 7/8. And you gotta get my denominators the same. So that's going to be 72/8 minus 7/8, which is going to be 72 minus 65. Eighths, and that's going to be 8 and 1/8. All right. Number 6, 4 and 8/9. Right? Convert everything to improper fractions. So 10/3 divided by 5/6 plus 8/9. Right? Do division first. 10/3 times 6/5 plus 8/9. 2, 1, 2, 1. So it becomes 4 total plus 8/9, which is going to be 36/9 plus 8/9. That's going to give me 44/9, and that's going to be 4 and 8/9. All right, number 7. Okay, 2/5 plus 14/5 divided by 4/7/4. Now, my first reaction is to do 2/5 plus 14/5, but that's not following the order of operations. All right, division always comes before multiplication, so I got to do the division problem. So that's 2/5 plus 14/5 times 4/7. And I can reduce these 2, 1. So that's 2/5 plus 8/5, which equals 10/5, which equals 2. All right, last number 8, last one. All right, so I have 2/3 minus 11/7 divided by 28/33. Oh, 33/7. 33/7. All right, now do division first. 2/3 minus 11/7 times 7. Oh wait, that was a 5. So 7/33. So that was a 5. Oh wait. Wait, no, it wasn't. All right, 11/7 times 7/33. Okay. Now I can cross cancel, and I get 1, 1, and 1, 3. So 2/3 minus 1/3, and then I would get 2/3 minus 1/3, and that's going to give me 1/3.